So first I gotta turn it on, and then we'll put that rocket on and that rocket on. This is what you push. You only push it when I say when you go to 0, okay? Okay, we have a Pringles drag race on 1 and 2 here. We have, looks like sour cream and onion Pringles versus original Pringles.
Yeah.
Pringles drag race going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The original took off first. The original's got a parachute out. Oh, sour cream and onion cheated on the return by doing a late deploy. He's gonna win.
Cheater.
Original got better altitude, but sour cream and onion's going to touchdown first. We have a winner. Original is trying its best to catch it. Do it again? Okay. All right, on pad 3. On pad 3, we have Sunburst, and Sunburst is loaded with a C67. That rocket is barely big enough to house a C motor. So, Sunburst going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I lost the tracking smoke.
I did too.
Don't know if you can see this, but it's coming down. The streamer failed to deploy, so it is just doing its thing that it does.
I don't know.
But got very nice altitude at least.
Very nice altitude.
And
All right. Okay. Okay. Josh Finn has parked another glider over here on pad 4. He's loaded it with an A34. The name of this rocket is
Aletta.
Aletta R. Okay. So here we go. Aletta R on a A34 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. All right, I'll let you track the. Thank you.
And I understand that kick is
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's up there.
You trying to break the record that was already broken?
No, this is for a different class.
That's a lazy man rocket. You ain't got to run at.
No.
Boomerang or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, time for fun.
You ready?
Yeah.
And on pad 4 is a RC glider being pulled by a V64. This is Dan Cruz is going to glide this back to Earth with his RC controller. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, pull it up.
Come on.
Ah. Oh well.
Good flight though.
At 8, we have a Pringles can, sour cream and onion. Oh, a victory lap.
Victory lap.
Victory lap.
Jerk.
Dan Cruz is going to launch this victory lap with a D12.5. Pringles, sour cream and onion going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was kind of.
Yeah.
Come on. Well, that was interesting. Perfect people should not be allowed. Perfect people. Just it's so disgusting. Perfect people. Landing their rockets upright. It's just not right. A penny for your thoughts? Other than your tangled chute.
Freaking didn't unroll.
Yeah, well, it was a little sketchy there, but landed upright, which is just not fair.
Exactly.